Oop. Oop. My windshield was fogging up and I couldn't see where the cancel turn signal was, so I'm beep, beep, beep. I'm such a dick. Fuck, still getting used to the new bike. Oh, yeah. I'm still having fun though. I don't care if I look goofy, sound goofy, whatever. This is awesome. I could not do this last year. Yeah, no. Last year I was blind. Yeah, it's May, so I already had one eye operated on, and in a couple of weeks I would have had the second eye operated on. Yeah. So here we are, this time of year, celebrating. Yeah, they're wearing their helmets. Car. It's like when you're playing street hockey. Car. Oh, for sale. Oh, that's a big house. Yeah. I'll just say right out of my pocket chain. Oh, buffalo. Gosh, ask him if I can take a picture with the bike. I drive by here quite a bit, so maybe if I see him outside, hey, can I take a picture? Because I named my bike the Sexy Buffalo, believe it or not. Although in Canada, I guess the proper name of the animal is the bison, or they changed it to bison, or it always was bison or something, I don't know, but buffalo seems to be an old name that is still around, and it sounds more funny. Just a little bit. Gotta love summer. That's an odd thing, eh? You have a gate going to what? The riverbank? And there's no fence around it or nothing, just a gate. Maybe it's a secret dimension gate. Travel through time or another dimension. Ooh, scary. I'm riding a fucking Bronco right now, or maybe a Buffalo. Holy crap! That's not a road; it's a roller coaster. Jeez. Came down here the other day, wasn't this bad?